Sometimes watching all these videos of apartment tours, home styling, and anything interior design related can be truly overwhelming. I mean, most of us know that we can never achieve any of these styles in our old, small, rented apartment. Or even if you are finally in that house in a suburb, probably you cannot afford to hire a designer to style the house in a way that you really like. As a result, we end up just watching these amazing houses on YouTube and dreaming about them without any practical outcomes, right? Well, wrong. Welcome to Farhan Interior. This is Atefeh. In this video, I'm going to talk about 6 easy ways to update your home. I know following an interior design style or renovating your whole space might cost you a fortune, but there are still a lot of things that you can do in your house to update it and make a big difference. I have decided to start a series of videos in which I propose small affordable solutions for your house that you can do in just an afternoon. So no matter where you live right now, by just following these tips you can improve your surrounding space. Well, let's just get to it. Number 1. Decluttering. Currently, with the existence of social media and every person in every corner offering us something to buy, we have more things in our spaces than ever. The big question is, do we need them all? More importantly, do we need them in front of us right here, right now? There is a high cost that we pay for the cluttered space that we live in. It makes you feel unsettled and not in control of your surroundings. In other words, stressed. Moreover, from an aesthetical point of view, clutter in your space makes everything look unattractive. The solution is so simple. Get rid of anything that you do not want or you haven't used in a long time. There might be some stuff that you would like to keep but may be out of sight. Then the easiest way is to have baskets and bins to help you get them organized. Trust me, after going through this process of decluttering, you would already feel like your home is a different place. Number 2. Mirrors. There are plenty of reasons to have mirrors in your house. Needless to say, it is an inexpensive solution to so many problems. Mirrors maximize a room's lighting and help to make a space look bigger. It adds depth to any room and brightens up everything. You can have a built-in floor-to-ceiling mirror, or if it is too much, have a portable framed mirror hanging on the wall or lean on the wall. The trick is to have the mirror on the wall opposite to the window so it would enhance the space. Sometimes there is a damaged part on a wall that you cannot fix them right away. Then cover it up for time being with a mirror. It will be a great addition since it is not going to add another color or texture to a room, and you never have to worry about it not going with other furniture and homewares. Don't forget, mirrors keep you looking sharp. Number 3. Plants and greeneries. I'm not going to talk about all the health benefits of having a real plant in your space, which is so many that would convince you to have them right now, but I'm going to discuss it in an interior styling context. First of all, scan the room and have a good understanding of what type of plant you can have based on the lighting and the free space you get. Choose an easy plant to maintain and remember, size matters. Do not pick some out-proportion plants that do not go with anything in the room. For example, sometimes a small pot on the coffee table is enough. The point is to choose them wisely, have them in a room to update and freshen up the whole area, and just simply bring the nature in. Number 4. Gallery wall. Gallery walls never go out of style and they are a good opportunity to display a part of yourself in a room. Original art, family photos, kids' drawings, maps, art prints, and letters are among the countless options you have for a gallery wall. Just make what you hang on your wall meaningful and watch how this makes your space elegant and fresh. Depends on your taste and the space that you already get. You can have it above a couch, a console table, or from floor to ceiling. The gallery wall can be a focal point in your space and gives your eye a place to focus on. I'm not exaggerating if I say gallery walls bring life and joy to any room if done correctly. Number 5. Candles and candlelight. When it comes to perceiving a space, you should be mindful of scent and light along with other stuff as well. I mean, the whole point of interior styling is to give you a space that you feel happy and content in. How is it possible if we dismiss the sense of smell? Candles are the easiest way to do so. First of all, having them let you have control over the lighting. I mean, at nighttime, you can dim the ambient light and light some candles. This will change your perception of the room like you wouldn't believe. Additionally, scented candles can bring an amazing smell to the space, and this will quickly update your home. Plus, they're beautiful to look at. You can try them on your coffee table, on a dining table at dinner, on shelf, or simply in a corner of the space. While choosing the kind of candle that you want, have a consideration of the colors and styles that already exist in the room and your taste in smell. Number 6. Keep everything clean. This might sound so obvious, or is it? There is one mutual thing among all the beautiful houses and interiors we see on Instagram, YouTube, or any other social media, which is they're all spotless. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to perceive the style and decoration the way it is. I mean, probably you cannot buy that designer sofa that you saw on a beautiful space on Instagram, but you sure can keep your space clean just like them. Do not underestimate the power of clean and uncluttered home, as just these two can make a big difference. That's it for this video. What do you think of these 6 easy and affordable tips? Let me know in the comment section.